Good morning, students. I hope you all have completed all the practicals that I have posted last classes. So till now, we can create now a basic HTML file in which we can insert the images, we can create tables, and we can also create the links that are the very important for any website, because website consists of so many web pages that we have to connect together, right? Today I am going to explain you this 5 topics. The first one is the pre-formatted text. It helps us to keep the line breaks and the spaces we enter for a paragraph or a block of text. Suppose if you want to change a line, then you need to write the break statement, right? If you want to give the space, then again some text required. But when you use this pre-formatted tag, so whatever you write inside the pre-tag, it will come as it is. Okay, so let me show you the code for this HTML file also, so you will come to know. So you can see here, just simply I have written the pre-tag, and in between this pre-tag, in the same format, it is printing here. So this is very important tag, pre-tag. You can use it whenever you want the fixed width columns, right? The next one is, you have already seen in the various e-commerce website that after writing the price, then it will cut and then the discounted price it is showing. So that effect we can also do using the strike command. So whatever you will write inside the strike command, just like here I have written the strike, then price MRP 800. So it will one line, one cut line over the text will come. Okay, so this type of effect we can create. The next important, inserting the image, you already know it. But the new thing is what in this, it is the creating the links. Means, see here, whenever I hover my mouse over the image, one hand logo, one hand mouse pointer it is showing, that means it is the link. So wherever you will click here, so another website will open, means the link will open, right? Like this. Okay, so in this way we can create a links to an image. The next one is mail us at Jay Bhagwani. So in this way you can create the email links. Email links can be created, and it is very beneficial whenever you want to hear some response from the user of your website. Suppose any user want to communicate with you, then you are giving the link to it. So you write inside this ahref, then mail to, then colon. After that you have to write your email address, and then this is the caption, Jay Bhagwani. So mail us at, when anyone click here, so that Gmail it will open, then they can send a message. Okay, so this is the email links. The next one, these are the tables that I already explained you, but this is the new what is in this. The new thing is, it is the spanning cells, means more cells are combined together to create a big one. So this, the first row, first cell, it expand the 4 columns. Okay, so here it is called as, whenever you are merging the cells across, means this one is the across, that is used for call span. And whenever you are merging the cell downside, okay, that is called as row span. So this way tables we can also create it. So let me show you the code here. Just 1 minute. So here I am showing you the code. So the first, I think everybody is clear with this one that is called as pre-tag. So in this way we can write down, just inside the pre-tag, pre, you can write anything in any format, the same it is will be printed in the web page. Okay, the next one is strike. Whatever you write inside the strike, the cut line will come over the text. Okay, then this one is the image tag. The basic is the image tag, and this image tag is used to insert the image. Now you have to create a link. So before it you have to write the anchor tag. So anchor href, that is called hyper reference. Then I have created here external link, because this website is not a part of this website, it is something else. So this is the external link example. So I have written one website address, and then after at the close we have done the anchor tag closing. So this way it will create a link. The next one is mail us at, the same heading it is coming, mail us at, and then anchor tag href mail to. This attribute you have to use whenever you want that your users of means your user send you message, okay, for anything. So this way you can write down your email address, and then this is the caption, okay, like that. In place of Jai Bhagwan, you can also write down contact us, okay, like that. Then table border. So this is the table tag. Already we have seen that table border 5. So it is the width of this border. If you decrease the number, then thin border will come. Then width 50%. So it is coming to the 50% of this width. Okay. Then align center. So this table is coming at the center, and border color white. I have given the border color here white. The next thing. Now here you have to pay attention here. The first row in which the first column, it is the size of the 4 columns. So that's why I have written here col span 4. Okay. And the align center means this text is coming at the center. That's why align center. Then computer courses I have written, and then I have closed the column, that is the computer courses column, and the row 1, because this row is finished. In the second row I have opened this second row. In the second row now I have the 4 columns. So that's why it is MS Office Tally DTP Internet separately it is coming. Suppose if you want to insert more columns here, so just simply you have to copy this row, copy, and then this row you have to paste it. Then you can write the different thing. Okay, just let me give MS Word, MS Excel like this. Then Tally, let me give the some version 7.2, 9. Then DTP, let me change here, desktop, publishing, like that. So I have added one more column. You can see, just let me save this file and reload it. So similarly you will get this way. Okay, so in this way we can add any number of rows in it, but the first row it will be col span 4. So that's why it is taking the 4 cells together. Okay, so this type of things we can create using the col span attribute. The next one is called as row span. Whenever we join downside, this is the across and this is the downside, so it is used by the row span. So the next table example is for the row span only. So here the first row, in the first row column is row span 4. One is for this computer courses and another 3 for this MS Office Tally and DTP. So here what you have to do, just like here you can see in the col span only 1 row and then 4 columns are there. So in the 1 row 4 columns are there, but here every column is in the separate rows. That's why I have written here separate table row, table data, then I have closed the table data and closed the table row. Similarly second table row, table data, Tally, like that. So if you want to increase more rows, then just copy. Let me add now 3 rows. So just save this file and see what are the changes it is coming. So here it is coming, but it is not coming here this way, because I have just given here row span 4. So let me give it, because I have added the 3 rows more. So let me add 3 number here more. So TD row span 7, save this file and reload it. So it will come accordingly. So this is an example of row span and this is an example of column span. Okay, so I hope this particular text, it is very clear to you. Practice it. Okay, if any doubt you can ask me, and after practice and making this web page you can share me, okay, on my WhatsApp group. Thank you.